How can you create a set in Python? So there are three different options how you can do it, and let's have a look at each of them. Okay, so the first option is S1. So like you can create a set, as we have already seen in previous examples, of, for example, Harry, Ron, and Hermine. So now this is a set of strings, and yeah, we simply use this bracket notation with the this special type of bracket, and we can use it to create a set. Okay, so it's very easy. We just add the elements and like have the delimiter comma between the elements. Okay, and we just add the elements within a comma separated sequence, so to say, and we just add this to the set. Note that the order of the elements may get lost because we are set as an unordered collection of unique elements. Okay, so the order may get lost. In this case, the order is still the same, but it may get lost. Okay, so you cannot rely on the order to be maintained by the Python engine. Okay, so this is the first way of creating a set. The second way of creating a set, so like we create the list. So say this is often useful if you already have a list. Okay, so like you may already have this list, Harry, Ron, Hermine. Okay, so I think so maybe let's do it like this. Okay, say we already have the list L, like Harry, Ron, and Hermione. I think it's Hermione in English. In Germany, it's Hermine. And now we can just add the so any collection type. We can just use it as an argument for the set function. So this is the second way of creating a set. Okay, and if you print S2, you see that it should be exactly the same, yeah, with different order, but it's still the same. Okay, so we have this bracket notation and all the three elements in the set. And now this shows nicely that the order of the set, you cannot rely on any order of the set. The order is basically lost. Okay, as soon as you create the set, you lose the order of the collection. Okay, so then there's a third option. We can, this is often useful if you have a for loop, for example. So say we create an empty set, yeah, without any element in the set, and now we can, for example, loop over all elements in the list and append those elements to the set. Okay, so this is also something which we could do. I mean, this is basically just a longer version of this one, but yeah, we can also like customize it. Okay, so we can, for example, append Lord we to the set, and now if you print S3, you can see that we have all elements. Not append is not possible. Sorry, it's add. Append is a function of the list. Okay, so we can just add elements, and yeah, you can see that all the elements are in the list. So we have Hermione, we have Lord we have Harry and Ron. Okay, so these are the three ways of creating a set. We can use this bracket notation, we can use the set function, and we can first create an empty set with the set function, then add some arbitrary elements to the set. Okay, thanks for listening, and see you in the next video. Bye.